In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Discord. It's a very simple method and it works the same whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or even a PC or laptop. If you find this helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Discord. First, open the Discord application on your device. Step 2. Find the user you want to block. Navigate to your direct messages or a Discord server where the user is located. Locate the person or bot you want to block. The process is exactly the same for blocking bots or real users. Step 3. Access their profile. Tap on their username in the chat. This will open their profile. If you're on a computer, you can also right-click on their name and select Profile. Step 4. Open the Options menu. On their profile, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots located on their banner. Tap or click on them. Step 5. Select Block. From the menu that appears, select Block. It's usually the second last option. Step 6. Confirm the block. A confirmation message will appear explaining that blocking will stop direct messages from them. Limit access to your profile and activity. Restrict their ability to interact with you through group messages and servers. Tap Block to confirm. Alternative option, ignore. If you don't want to block them entirely but still want to limit interactions, you can also select Ignore from the same menu. This will mute notifications and hide their messages without fully blocking them. That's it. The user is now blocked. They will no longer be able to contact you directly or view your profile. You can always unblock them later by going to User Settings greater than Privacy and Safety greater than Blocked Users and removing them from the list. If this tutorial helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to check out all our other tutorials as well. There's a lot to go through and you might discover something you didn't know about. Thanks for watching.